up with Deliv. It has been in the industry for more than 25 years. This block has been in the industry for more than 25 years, guys, and it has various indices and various commodities that you can trade on. And also, aside from that, it has about 2.5 million users, traders. So it's a reliable blocker. Get started with it if you really want to make money in the financial market. So the link is in the description. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I raised this small amount of money that you can raise a 1 USD to somewhere about 3.4 USD per 5 minutes. So it's a Smarttrader strategy. So we're going to go on Smarttrader there. So this is the entire strategy, but I want you to see it how I'm going to execute. Then I'm going to show you how I did that. So we click there and wait. So the trade has started running right now. If you can see here, the trade is running. There it's running. The trade is running. So if you can see there, the countdown is actually now on 2 minutes. We have actually gone 2 minutes, so it's 5 minutes. The strategy is a 5-minute strategy. So basically that's the thing. So you wait for 5 minutes to make about 3.4 USD, guys. So I entered from there and it went all the way down there. So I'm going to explain to you how I had to set everything up. Please ensure that you watch the entire video so that you can see how I set it up. So that's the amount of money that we are receiving, about 3.4 USD, and that's how the trade is playing as it stands right now. So basically that's the thing. So basically the thing that you have to do in order for you to actually know exactly how I went about, if you can see now we're in profit about 2.4 somewhere USD. So we are still in profit. So it will take about 5 minutes for you to make this amount of money. So basically that's the thing. So if you can see there, we have won that trade. If you can see there, we have won that trade. That is the result there. We have won the trade about 3 point something. We had about 1 point something USD in this account. So you can start with as low as 1 USD, guys. You can start as low as 1 USD. So just one trade you make about. So this is actually our Telegram channel. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, please join our Telegram channel. I do post free signals for everybody. I don't charge for my signals. I give free signals for everyone that is interested. Please, the link is in the description. If you can see there, these are the signals. So basically these. And for mentorship, you need to do my course. Join the channel. On top of the channel there, you can see a message there. Read the instruction if you want to be a part of my mentorship. I don't charge for mentorship, only do my course, which is only about 1 USD, and these are free signals. I trade myself. I give free of charge. So just be a part of the Telegram channel, guys. So basically that's the thing. With that said, let me explain now how you enter this trade on Smarttrader. So you come on Smarttrader there, and these are the actual details of the same trade, but don't rush. Let me explain. So we come on V10 there, and we click there just on higher and lower. So that's where you go, and after changing that, you are going to change a few things, even just down here. Okay, so we're using higher and lower there, and from there you are going to change to V10. That's the one that we are going to be using for now. Yes, I hope you have seen that change there. And from there, we're going to use 5 minutes. We're going to leave it that way. Here, guys, very important, we're going to change to negative 1.7. Negative 1.7, very important. And our stake, like we started with 1 USD, and it ended up in profits of about 3.4 USD. So you'll be making 3.4 USD per every profit you are going to be selling. Yes, with this strategy. So basically here, that's where the juicy is. Down here, there are some settings that you have to do. Ensure that you are having a chart there. Sure that you're having a chart there, and there are a few things that you need to put there, guys. So basically that's where the secret is. So that's the thing. So you're going to click there, and you're going to look for a smooth for a simple moving average. Yeah, where is it? So just on the indicators there, you check there it is. So you click on it, you highlight it, and upon highlighting it, you're just going to change a few things again inside the same indicator. You're going to put it at 50, so it will be a moving average of period 50, and yeah, you're going to just make sure that it's 50, and from there you're just going to there leave it the way it is, I think so. Yeah, and here you're going to change to black so that it can be visible on your chart, and from there I feel you click on OK. So basically that's the thing. Now let me explain. So if the moving average is above the market, that's when you enter. You need to ensure that it's above the market because you're selling. So basically that's the thing. So here we were supposed to sell somewhere there. The moving average was above the market, and there you click on sell that side. The moment you see that the moving average of 50 is above, so you would have entered from there and would have waited for 5 minutes for the trade to finish, to run the way I showed you how it had to run from 1 year. So you can deposit using P2P. If you don't know how to deposit using P2P, you can watch my video, or you would have entered even from here if you can see there. So you can deposit as low as $1 and start up with this strategy and make so much. Every 5 minutes you can be walking out with so much. So we would have entered from there, that trade that we entered from that top there after seeing the moving average was above the market. Yes, so would have entered there. Basically that's the thing. So the moment you see it's up, you come there on top and you click there, which is a sell. So it signifies a sell. So we entered from there and we went down with it. So basically that's the thing. Please guys, try it on a demo. I always recommend that you try everything that I teach you on the demo before you can actually try it on real money. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Love you.